Hey everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing this awesome French dessert. It's really fresh and light and really easy to make. You just need 3 ingredients. 2 egg whites, 70 grams of sugar and 30 grams of chocolate. Take out the whites and then mix it and adding the sugar. When you get this consistency, it's gonna be perfect. Then you chop your chocolate and add it to the mixture. Then you add it to a normal coffee mug and you fill it like 2/3. Then with a knife, you separate the mixture from the mug. Then you put into the microwave for 30 seconds. Then you have the dessert and it's all done. Put some chocolate, add the whites with chocolate, and that's it. And you could add some on top. This dessert is super fluffy and really easy to make. And it tastes like sweet pastries. Well, I hope you're already at your kitchen and trying this recipe. So, if you like this recipe, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.